Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some new gel polishes from Madam Glam. They launched their new collection today. I'm so excited. I'm finally on time showing you guys some of the colors. They reached out and asked me to choose some colors from the new collection. The new collection have 10 colors. I believe I asked for 6 of the 10. I thought I was pushing it. They sent me 3 for this video, and the next day this video was filmed, they actually sent me 3 more. So I will be doing a part 2 for this collection, and this collection is based off the movie 𝚙𝚚𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘. The collection is very pretty, and I feel like these colors go perfect for the fall. So the collection is called Rock Paper Scissors, and it's such a cute name to go along with the movie. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys the 3 colors that I have in this video. So yeah, make sure to like the video and turn on your post notifications for the second video that I will be putting out. And I do feel the need to mention that these polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, and 21-free formula. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish showing the colors, and then I'll get into the swatches. So I just went ahead and briefly show all of the swatches, and I cured them for 30 seconds each, and these are how the colors turn out. I really love these colors. They are perfect for the fall time. And don't forget, you can save 30% off your order using my discount code, which is 𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘. I do recommend Madam Glam gel polishes. I just love building my collection from them. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into the nail set. So I'm going to start out with some base coat. The base coat I'm using is also from Madam Glam. I feel like using the same brand with the gel polish would work a little bit more efficient. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a thin layer over each of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in a nail light for 30 seconds. So once I cured that, the 2 colors I decided to go with are these beautiful greens, and they are Foggy Night and Cold Lips. I'm also going to be using this green glitter mixture. This is super pretty, and this came from a Model 1's gel polish kit. Either I'll link the video down in the description box or leave it in the cards just in case you want to check it out. And then I'm also going to be using some of these gold foils. I love encapsulating them in my nails. It just makes the nails look so pretty once you add the top coat. And then I'm going to use my Gershon clear poly gel to apply the nail tips. This is one of my all-time favorite clear poly gels to use. And then for the nail tips, I'm going to be using the Extreme Square from enailcoutoure, and I really love these. The length, the shape, like I just love them so much. And then I'm also going to be using this Beetles curing lamp that I just previously unboxed in my recent video. If you haven't seen that video, please make sure to go check it out. I'll make sure to leave that one in the cards. So to start, I'm just going to be applying the nails with this Gershon base coat. This has become one of my favorite ways to apply the nail tips, just because this poly gel is like super thick, and it gives me time for the nail to stay in place, just in case I have to like wipe up the spillage from the back. Like I just love doing this, and like it's just super easy. Once I wipe around the cuticle area from the spillage, I make sure that the nail is straight, and then I just cure onto my nails, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the next nail. So I am skipping my ring finger, and I'm moving on to the middle finger just because I'm going to be doing a glitter encapsulated nail for my ring and my thumb. So I'm going to repeat this process of adding the nail tips on my middle finger and my index finger. So after I applied my index finger, I went ahead and moved on to my glitter encapsulated nails, and I'm just going to show you the result from my first attempt. So this is how that glitter nail looks, and I ended up adding like too many layers of base coat and polygel to where the nail looked like it was like levitating, like it literally did a magic trick and started levitating on my nail, and I didn't like it. So I went ahead and redid the nail. So I'm just putting some base coat inside the nail tip, and the steps are the same. I'm just gonna add a lot less glitter than I added for the first nail, just because it was like very thick and I couldn't encapsulate it to where it would fit on my nail. So I'm just going to be putting a lot less glitters. So once I added the glitters, this is how that nail is looking, and as you can see, it's a lot less glitters than the first attempt. I actually like how the first one looked. That's actually what I was going for, like a full solid glitter nail, but in order for this nail to work, I did have to ease up on the glitters. So yeah, once I got the glitters in, I went ahead and cured those in place, and then I went ahead and put some of that clear Gherkin polygel to encapsulate the glitters. And then once I smooth that out, I'm just going to be putting it onto my nail, and it fixed really good. And before I cure, I go ahead and wipe any excess that's spilled from the back of the nail, and then I'm going to cure and repeat that on my thumb. And another reason why I like to use clear polygel to encapsulate the enailcoutoure full cover nail tips is because these nails have such a high apex to where if you just use base coat, you will have like a lot of room, especially if you have flat nail beds. So using polygel, a thicker like substance, it takes up a lot of that room, so it fits more snug on your nail. So yeah, now that I'm done adding the glitters, I just kind of flip it over and make sure that is about the same amount of glitter that's in my ring finger. I go ahead and cure that in place, and then I add my clear polygel. And guys, I just love how this look inside. Like, I love how the glitters are reflecting through that clear polygel. Like, it just looks so pretty. So I had to, like, you know, give it a little bit more showtime. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and flatten this out, spread it all over the nail, and then put them on my nail. I did flash cure this nail, but I also cured them for 30 seconds in the bigger UV light, just so I can make sure these are fully cured onto my nails. And now I'm just taking my Melanie Susie nail drill, and I'm going around the cuticle area with a sanding band. This step is very important to make sure the nails look natural and like it looks neat around the cuticle area. You could also do this with a hand file, but I just decided to do it with my e-file just because it's a lot easier and it was just more convenient for me. So I'm just going around lightly around the cuticle area to give these a more natural and flush look. After filing, I did go in with a lint-free wipe and remove the dust. So now we can go in with our gel polish, and this was actually my favorite part of the entire nail set. So I'm taking the color, I believe it was Foggy Night, and I'm going in only on the right side of the nail. I'm going to be doing a split nail with the two colors that I showed you, and the other color is called Cold Lips. And this was actually my sister's idea. I was kind of having trouble like coming up with a design. My sister that holds my nails, I believe I mentioned her in the kawaii set that I did. I have her hold my nails when I'm filing. She actually helped me come up with this design, so thank you for that. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be doing some split nails. So I'm taking the darker green and I'm staying on the right side of the nail, and I'm gonna cover the center of the, like where the two colors meet, with some foil, so they don't have to be perfectly centered, but I am gonna make sure that these are like right down the center so one color isn't taking up most of the nail. I'm taking my cleanup brush, and I got this brush from Amazon, and I'm just gonna be like cleaning that gel polish up, wiping my skin before I cure, and I'm gonna cure this once I have it straight and then go in with the other color. I'm not really that good at nail art, but doing these like split nails were so easy. I feel like anyone could do them, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Like they were just so easy. So this is how that nail is starting to look, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure and repeat that over the middle and pinky. And yeah, like I said, this was so easy to do and I really enjoyed it. It was actually very fun doing this split nails. Like it was just so therapeutic. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead doing one color, curing, and then going in with the other color. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to mention, I always forget to mention this when I'm doing my voiceovers because it's always so late at night. I wanted to mention, like, I have so many good things coming from my channel. Like I've ordered some Valentino acrylics, some young nails, some secret nail affair, some acrylics. I want to try those. I just have a lot of interesting things coming to my channels, but first I want to go ahead and get out all of like the PR packages and stuff out the way because I don't want to keep these companies waiting. So yeah, I'm just making sure like I have a clear schedule, but make sure you are subscribed if you want to see those upcoming videos, and make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I post. So after I cured the last nail, this is how the nails are looking, and honestly I love them just like this, but of course we have to do something extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and like take a hand file because I did notice the tips of the nails, like the piece of tab that I always used to file before I even start my nail set, they were showing and I didn't like that. So of course I'm just gonna take a hand file. I believe this is a 180 grit or 100, I don't know, it doesn't matter, but I'm taking a hand file and I'm just filing the free edge to remove that little piece of plastic, and then I'm gonna remove that dust and then go in with my gold foils. So to apply the foils, I'm just going to be adding some base coat, and I went ahead and already kind of broke up a few pieces. I started off adding them a little bit bigger, and then like you will see me start going up a little bit smaller. So I did eventually break these up into smaller pieces and have the gold foils a little bit thinner. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but you will see in the video like how these are like super big. I'll eventually go up and start adding them small. But yeah, I'm just going to be tearing up some pieces of foils and putting them down the center where the two colors meet. And I'm just going to be doing that over all of these split nails. And this part was also super fun. This entire nail set was just also fun and it came out super pretty. So I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this process. And one thing about foils, when you are using foils, make sure to go ahead and break these up before you apply anything to your nails, because if your nail touch them with like base coat on them, they will stick to everything but where you want them to stick to. Sometimes I do get annoyed from these foils sticking everywhere. So yeah, that's just a little tip. Make sure to go ahead and have the little pieces broken up how you like. So yeah, this is how that nail is looking. Super cute. I absolutely love this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other nails. And here is my middle finger, and then I just went ahead and repeated that on my pinky off camera just because it's pretty much the same steps. So this is how the nails are looking, and now I'm just going to be adding a top coat. The top coat I'm using is from Model1's. I love their top coat, super glossy and super thick. So I'm just going to be adding a top coat over all of the nails and then curing for 30 seconds. So since I do have some foils on top of my nails, I'm going to be doing 2 layers of the top coat just to make sure that they are fully secured. So I went ahead and cured the first layer of top coat that I just showed, and as I was curing in my light, my phone died, and as it was coming on, I went ahead and finished the second layer of top coat on top, and it came on just in time for me to catch the part where I top coated the underside of the nail. So I'm just going to do that. I cured for 30 seconds and then I'm adding my cuticle oil. And after rubbing in the cuticle oil, these are how the nails turn out. I cannot tell you guys how in love I am with this nail set. Like, these are just absolutely stunning. Like, the foils, like, it just looks so pretty. So yeah, that's it on the 3 of the 10 colors from the new Madam Glam collection. But like I said, they did send me 3 more colors the next day this video was filmed, so I will be doing a part 2. So if you are interested in another fall set with some Madam Glam gel polishes, make sure to stay tuned. I will leave the discount code and the link for the website down below. Comment down below what you guys think, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.